With this curry kit, I'm going to show you how to make a classic tikka masala. It's got a beautiful cashew nut sauce, and I've made it really easy for you by including all the spices that you need. Just grab your fresh ingredients and then we can cook it together. Crush the spices in bag 1 and place in a bowl. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and grate half of the ginger, then mix with yoghurt, lime juice, oil and salt. Coat the meat, fish or vegetables of your choice and marinate for 20 minutes before placing the marinated ingredients onto an oven tray and cooking at 180 degrees until it's cooked through and a little charred around the edges. Heat the oil in a pan, add the contents of bag 2 and sizzle until fragrant. Add the minced or finely diced onions and cook for 20 minutes until they are lightly browned. Mince the remaining garlic and ginger and fry for 2 or 3 minutes. Grind the contents of bag 3 and add to the pan, again with a splash of water to stop the spices from burning. Blend your tomatoes and add to the pan. Salt to taste and cook for 5 minutes. Once thick, grind the contents of bag 4 to a powder and add to the sauce, then cook for 5 to 10 minutes to create a thick masala paste. Add the cooked ingredients from the oven to the sauce and cook for a further 10 minutes for chicken or lamb or 3 minutes for seafood, vegetables or paneer. Pour in the cream and the fresh coriander to serve.